Hello everyone, welcome to this Chrome extension tutorial. Here I'll be teaching you how to program Google Chrome extension or Chromium extension. The extension work in both of these browsers. And browser extensions are basically plugins that we install in a browser to provide extra functionalities. So let's move ahead and I'll be explaining it to you as we move ahead. The first thing that we require is a directory. I've named this directory manifest. You can name it any other directory. Uh, the naming doesn't affect the extension anyway. So the first file that is required is manifest.json. Whenever we are coding any browser extension, the only file that is the bare minimum required is this manifest.json file. So it's taking some time to load. Yes. In this manifest.json file, there are the configurations written for the Chrome extension, such as the name, API calls required, permissions required, etc. But for now, we'll be focusing on the four requirements. That is the name of the extension. Let's call it Hello World. The second is the description. This is my first Chrome extension. The third is the version, that is, and the fourth is manifest version. The manifest version number is always 2. The description is a string that explains about the extension, a little bit about the extension, and the name is the name of the extension. The manifest version number is the version number, that is 1 is the main version and the rest is the sub version and sub version. So once this is done, we don't require to add anything to the extension. The extension is complete, and although it won't do fairly much, it explains you about the working of the extension. So let's move ahead and open Chromium. The Chrome extension can also be loaded in Chromium web browser, and in that let's go to this URL, that is chrome://extensions. In that you can see there is this icon, developer mode. Once you click on it, it gives you the option to load unpacked extensions. We'll go and here we can see that this is the main directory where I've kept all my code. I'll click on open, and here my extension is loaded, Hello World, my version number, and the description. So that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.